Hi everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. As I have completed 7 group of 42 letter sound, so this video is the revision of this group in fun way method. So first revise all the letter sound done in the class. Let's begin. S, A, T, T, I, P, N, C, K make same sound. K, A, E, H, H, R, R, M, D, G, O, U, L, F, B, A, I makes long vowel A, J, O, A makes long vowel O, I, E makes long vowel I, E makes long vowel E, O, R, E, R, Z, W, digraph N, G, ing, V, little U, long U, Y, X, digraph C, H, digraph S, H, digraph T, H, voiced the, unvoiced the, digraph Q, U, qua, O, U, ow, digraph O, I, digraph U, E, long vowel U, digraph E, R, digraph A, R, qua, ow, oi, U, R, Identify the pictures and fill the correct letter sound. Q, qua, O, ow, O, oi. Now this is cloud, ow sound. O, U. So child will write over here O, U. This is point, oi sound. O, oi sound, point. This is queen, qua, Q, U. This is squirrel, qua, Q, U. This is house, ow sound, ow, O, U. This is oil can, oil, O, I. This is mouth, ow, O, U, ow, mouth. This is coin, oi, O, I, coin. This is mouse, ow sound, O, U. Okay, now let's begin with the second worksheet. Here, match the pictures with correct letter sound. U, E, long vowel U. E, R, A, R, So child will blend the words by identifying the pictures. Now this is car, R sound, R sound. So child will match car with R sound. Okay. Now this is statue, U sound. Child will match with U sound. This is letter, or sound, or. So child will match with or. This is mango pickle jar, jar, R. Match with R sound. This is tissue paper, tissue, U sound. Match with U sound. This is dinner, or sound. Match with or sound. This is star, R sound. Match with R sound. This is zipper, or sound. Match with or sound. So watch this video again. It will really help you to understand the blending for a word. So that's all for today. Keep learning with me. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.